Okay, so this is room number 2019 in the Ratnadipa here in Colombo. The check-in process took us about just over 30 minutes. We came bang on check-in time and it took a bit too long. But saying that, the feel in the hotel is quite good. This is a room with a double bed inside there. They have a workstation over here. Let's have a look. So they haven't put any pens here. It's a Marriott hotel, so you'd expect a good level of standard. They've got the plugs. They've got the in-room dining menu over there. Let's have a look. So these are all there. So that's probably a connecting door, which is connecting to the other room. They have a minibar on this side over here. Could do with a better kettle, but still quite good. So this is a new hotel. It's only been open for like a few months. They've got the Dilma tea bags, as you'd expect, being in Sri Lanka. Dilma. Coat hanger, nice touch. It's got a nice little seating area over there. Nice double bed, looks good. TV's in an awkward position, but it probably pulls out. They have a balcony with a view of the ocean, of the sea. There's a mall right next door, which is very convenient. So a map over there. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. So it's got a glass window into the toilet. They have a walk-in closet over here. Again, very convenient. This is the toilet. Nice bathtub. Couple of towels. A couple of towels at the bottom there as well, which is quite good. Water. Some soap. Okay, so we're just gonna go check the shower out, sorry. So nice walk-in shower, which is quite good. I'll quickly show you the toilet. So quite good. So despite the delayed check-in, it still looks quite good.